What's up, everybody? I'm going to show everybody the new MADFUT script and how to use it. This video I'm going to show you on a rooted device, and then after I get this one done, I'm going to make one for users that have virtual spaces. So, either way, if you're rooted or if you are on a virtual space, first thing you should do is go to Settings, and then Display. And right here, you see Screen Timeout. Click on that and just set it for a long setting. You don't want the screen going to sleep with this game. It's a Java game, and with Java games, if your screen just blacks out for even a second, all the values will relocate. So if you got a long search happening, values relocate, features don't work properly. So set your screen timeout higher. Alright, and now make sure you've started the game at least once. You can see here I got a new game. So after you've started the game, close it, and then open up a file explorer. You need a file explorer that has root access. The one I'm using is Solid Explorer. And here I got my download folder. That's where I'm going to copy the file to. And now in this view, you want to go to your root directory, look for the folder named data. Blind. And then again, data. And then scroll until you see com.madfut. Oop, a little too far. com.madfut.madfut21. Open that folder. Open the shared preferences folder. Right here you see mainActivity.xml. I'm going to copy that file to my download folder. If you already have a copy from doing it before in there, just keep the new version, the one you're copying, overwrite the old one. Alright. Now, get down here. You see mainActivity.xml. Alright, it's in my download folder. Now, leave MADFUT closed. Okay? I know you normally don't do that. It doesn't matter. You can pick any of these, or you can just click outside the menu. Excuse me, like I just did. And don't even pick a process. It doesn't matter. And then I'm using regular Game Guardian, but you're obviously going to be using my modded version. So run my Game Guardian, log in, select the script from the menu, and enter your password, and you will get to the screen right here. So run Save Updater. As it says, read the instructions. Close MADFUT first. Doesn't matter what process you attach to. Copy the file that I just showed you me copying, and then after you've done that, what I just showed you, press yes. Hit the button, go to the folder you copied the file to. And again, it said just on the dialog, and I showed you already, but it is called mainActivity.xml. mainActivity.xml. There it is. Press OK. To add packs to the Save Packs tab of the game, press right here. Add packs, Save Packs. Alright, it's done already. If you want to add players, press Run Save Updater. Press Add Players. Alright, all set. So now, before you start the game, I'm in my download folder. This is the file we just updated here. Again, I'm going to copy it back to the folder it originally came from. Press copy to, or just copy it. If it asks you if you want to overwrite, you make sure you press overwrite, or in this program's case, you press keep the new file, which is the one that you just modified. Alright, now go back to the folder that the file's originally from and make sure that you don't see numbers at the end of this file name right here. It should just be mainactivity.xml, not mainactivity with a 1 or a number or anything like that. As long as it looks like this, go ahead and start your game again. As you can see, I have all players but one right now. We'll have him soon, but I've been opening packs for like 5 hours and didn't get them, so I figured I'd stop making you guys wait. Alright, go to your packs tab, save packs. Here you can see all the packs you just added. Alright, now go to players. Okay, you can see I have different numbers of duplicates for different players here right now. So now, this function takes a while to run. So what I recommend you do is actually go to your home screen. Now, open this up. Oh, hold on. Okay, because we just ran the save updater, we weren't attached to the game. So I'm pretty sure it'll work if I just attach right now. Don't need to restart the script. If you selected a process, you'll need to exit out of the script, interrupt it here, and restart the script. But again, I didn't choose a process, so the menu to select the process, it just popped up again, and I chose MADFUT. So now, hopefully it works. And again, this search takes a while, which is why it was important you make it so your screen won't shut off, and it's also why we actually minimize the game. Once the game gets minimized, the values relocate and they stay there until you bring the screen back up, or the game back up. And once we have enough users and we got numerous people to have all players, I'll make sure that the add players feature automatically updates itself, and you won't have to wait on me to do it. But for the moment, I just want to get things working, so. It'll be done some year. Okay, it's almost done. Now hopefully when we go back to the game, everything will work as it should have. Not 100% sure since I didn't restart the script and I just chose the process from the list, but we'll see. All right. Let's go back to the game. Leave this menu. Back to players. There you go. It did work. 50 duplicates of each, as you can see. It could possibly miss a card or two. I'm not positive. If it does, we'll get the bugs worked out eventually. And then let's see. We also have fixing today's packs. Here's the today's packs tab. So fix today's packs. Alright, it says set the number of coins to receive on purchasing. So whatever you put here, you'll get this many coins each time you open a pack. I'm just going to put it at like 10,000. Press OK. Since they've been updated, leave the packs menu. Return to the packs menu. There you go. You got 999 of each. Minus 10,000. It does not change these standard pack prices, the ones that are unlimited here. But I mean, set these prices to the amount you're going to need and buy some of those, and then come down here and buy these. Alright. And then we got SBC. Now this function does not work for player, excuse me, for the player reward SBCs. I'll get that figured out eventually, but right now it only works for the ones like these over here. They all have pack rewards. So you see my first SBC, you got your requirements or your conditions right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter these numbers where you see minimum, min, 75, min 80, number of players 11. So we're going to go remove SBC conditions. It says enter the conditions in the order they are displayed. Alright, this one's got 3. We only fill in 3 spots. 75, 80, 11. Press OK. Says conditions removed. We're going to leave the SBC screen, and then we are going to return to it. Now you can see up in the upper right, the submit button's enabled. Press OK. SBC is completed. Alright, and then when you guys are using this, go ahead and check this bottom one, see if it runs for me, because this is going to be used for automatically updating my list of players on the server, so you won't have to wait. You'll be able to run the save updater as soon as someone else gets all the players, basically. So otherwise, when new players come out at the moment, you have to wait for me to add them. So just press get total player count. This search does take a little while. I'm going to try to find a better one that isn't quite as slow, but for now, there we go. And is that right? That's kind of weird. So it's not working 100% right now. The most important value right now here is the one that says own players. So I will just make sure, let me know if it doesn't, but make sure that number own players is the same as your number of players up here. As long as that's accurate, I'll be able to make the automatic updating of my player list work. But anyways, guys, give me a few minutes and I will get a video together for the virtual space users. Have a good one.